What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Timon, and today we're gonna be finishing up the wheel setup on my 10th gen Honda Civic SI. So first off, we got the hub centric rings. So I've been running it without one, and for aftermarket wheels, I guess you want to reduce wheel vibration if you have anything, and improves like comfort and safety. So I just got this on Amazon for like 15 bucks, I think, and I think they're like made out of plastic. And the inner diameter is 64.1 to outer diameter 73.1. It should fit perfectly fine on the wheels right here, and we're gonna show you guys how to do that. All right guys, also too, remember to break loose the lug nuts before you jack the car up, or you won't be able to take off the wheels. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm new to the aftermarket scene, so learning about having the correct setup or the right specs and everything to make sure the car is running good and great for any purpose, track, street, daily. You just want to make sure you're doing things right and you don't have to do it again. So I'm still learning, so I'm just taking you guys with me through the learning process, and let's get to it. All right guys, so after you take the wheel off, you want to come to the back of the wheel and just place the ring right here and push it in. Make sure it's nice and flush and tight in there. And now you should have a better fitment to your hub, so you won't get any vibrations with any aftermarket wheels or anything like that. So we're gonna do that to all fours, and then I'm gonna show you the lug nuts I got for my car. All right guys, so we got the 2 rings on the wheels already, and now I'm gonna show you the lug nuts. I waited about 2 months for these, so here they are. So these are titanium lug nuts, and they weigh about 24 grams per lug, which is really light compared to the OEM lug nuts. Also too, I wouldn't recommend this to anyone because of the price if you're on a budget, but if you do have the budget, I would highly recommend it. Just look at the quality on this. The quality. Ooh. All right, let's get these bad boys on. All right guys, we're done installing everything, and this is how it looks. Sheesh. So we're gonna head to the car wash and get some cinematics of me washing the car and showing off the wheel setup. I'm basically all set with how my wheel setup looks. It looks great. I'm actually surprised at how well it came out. I'm impressed. All right, so we'll see you guys at the car wash. Alright YouTube, it's been about a couple weeks.
5 months.
It's been about 5 months since the last video that I edited. I just didn't get around to recording the outro. A lot of stuff has happened in my life. I went on vacation. In the Asian culture, you already know, something happened. Something devastating happened to not only one person, but two. So, RIP to my grandma and grandpa.
Y'all rest easy.
Y'all rest easy. But we ended off where we installed the lug nuts right here, and they look really clean. I also got the car ceramic coated from or at JRP Auto Detailing. I'll put the link in the description of where it is. If you're in the Massachusetts area, they did a really good job at a really good price that I think, and they really killed it. Every time I clean the car and everything, the water just comes right down. It takes way less time to clean the car. It doesn't take me like 2 hours, 2.5 hours. It takes me about an hour. I cleaned it about a couple days ago, so it's not too clean, but it's holding up. I also had a scratch here, a really deep scratch right here. I don't know if you guys could see, but they touched it up a little bit more, and it's not as noticeable unless you get really up close with it. But shoo! Everything's the same, nothing's really changed. You already know the back of the car gets really dirty easily. I'm pretty content with the car so far. I think I got a couple small mods that I have in store already. I just don't know how to install it or do it. So I'm thinking of paying a shop to do it for me, or find somebody to do it and help me do it. So that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. I don't know. What do you think we should do, Justin?
That intercooler. Something about it.
That intercooler?
Hell yeah.
What, you want a stencil on it? You want to show off the PRL logo?
Hell yeah. Gotta rep it. Oh. Sponsor, please.
A little bit. You know us, we don't ask for it. We don't ask for it. We gotta, we gotta show our work to prove ourselves, you know? My car does not scream sleeper at all though, but I don't know. We'll see.
Big wing gang.
Well, you want a big wing?
No.
Nah, that looks clean already. That looks clean. I'm kind of content where it is. If I were to go a bigger turbo, that's a clutch. Probably have to get
a rebuilt engine.
Stronger engine, stronger internals, head gasket. I don't know. Kind of both.
Might as well buy a Type R.
Might as well. Alright guys, I'm about to end it here. If you enjoyed the small little content and video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to your boy. Until next time, peace!